Welcome to Science Academy. Types of electric circuit. An electric circuit is defined as the current flowing from the supply points through the load to complete the path. In this video, we will study about the types of the electrical circuits. There are three types of electrical circuit, namely 1. Closed circuit. 2. Open circuit. 3. Short circuit. Closed circuit. When loads are connected in series between two terminals of electric supply, then the current passing through the load is called as closed circuit. For example, if the switch is off, the circuit is open and the lamp will not glow. If the switch is on, the circuit is closed and the lamp will glow. Open circuit. In this circuit, if there is no way to the flow of current due to disconnection of wire or the switch is in off condition, then the circuit is called open circuit. Example, in lighting circuit, if the switch is in off condition, the circuit is open and the lamp will not glow and it is called an open circuit. Short circuit. In this circuit, the two terminals of the supply is connected directly without a load and the current flow is infinite because of very low resistance. Then the circuit is called as short circuit. It causes heavy damage to the load. Classification of electric circuits. Here we will study about the classification of the electrical circuits in terms of resistances. They are 1. Series circuit. 2. Parallel circuit. 3. Series parallel circuit. Series circuits. In a series circuit, the components are connected one after another, like beads on a string. The current must flow through each component in the same order, and if one component fails, the entire circuit breaks. Series circuits are simple to design and understand, and they are often used in low-power applications like LED lights and Christmas lights. Example. In many of the places like temple functions, malls, theaters and marriage halls, serial sets are used to make different decorative items using serial bulbs. In series circuit, the path of the current flow is only one. So if any fault, break in wire connection, occurs in any one place of the circuit, then the total circuit will be inactive. Parallel circuits. In a parallel circuit, the components are connected like branches of a tree. The current can flow through each component independently, and if one component fails, the other components will still function. Parallel circuits are more complex than series circuits, but they offer greater flexibility and control. They are often used in high-power applications like home appliances and industrial equipment. Example. In our house or factories, different types of electrical appliances are used. In example, fan, bulb, television, motor, heater, etc. Each one has a separate circuit. For example, if there is a fault in fan circuit, the fan circuit alone is inactive. Other circuits like bulb, television will work as usual. So, in parallel circuits there are a number of current paths available. Series, parallel circuits. As the name suggests, series parallel circuits combine elements of both series and parallel circuits. They offer greater flexibility and control than either type alone, and they are used in a wide variety of applications. Electric circuit symbols. Electric circuits' various symbols are used. Some of the important symbols that are used in physics for drawing electric symbols are